Hey everybody, it's Robbie here at SoapyFluffs.com. I am cutting our awesome brand new Japanese cherry blossom remake. We actually sold out of this. It's a beautiful bark. I'm going to hold it this way so you can see it. So beautiful. This is cured for 12 hours, or set I should say for 12 hours. We're going to go ahead and cut it. I have it styled in at 1 inch. I'm going to go ahead and cut it so you can see what this is like. Let me just make sure we're nice and tight. All right. And then I'm going to cut the first one. We're going to weigh it. Oh, I love that. Awesome. Look at that beautiful color. We gelled a little bit, which is nice. Gelling is a natural process from heat. It makes the colors pop out more. It just creates a more harder glycerin soap. All right, isn't that beautiful? I'm going to go ahead and weigh this out and see where we're at and make sure we're on. We make sure all our soaps are 5.5 to 6 ounces at the moment to make sure you get the best soap. So I'm going to go ahead and check this out. We're at 5.5. I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger to make sure we're getting the proper size soap here. We want to make sure we're a little bit bigger. There's just a hint over an inch. Let's go ahead and lift this up, clean the wire, and you get to see the next one. All right. Look at that beautiful swirl and cut in there. Look at that beautiful swirls. Nice. There's that line. We're going to measure that. Make sure it's not too high. Oh, it's a little bit higher. So we're going to push this back just a bit. We're about 6 points. Perfect. All right. Clean the wire. Let's do that again. Beautiful. And here we are. Look at those beautiful, beautiful cuts. Just gorgeous. All right. 6.2, right on the money. Perfectly where we want to be because we'll lose a few points for drying. We have a water discount, so our soaps are available a little bit faster than most places. Some cure for up to 6 months in the older days, but with the newer process, we got a little bubble there. With the newer processes that they have with all our ingredients and a water discount, we can have these soaps available for after a week of cure. And we're already at 24 hours, so these will be available back on the site next week. Again, this is Japanese cherry blossom. It has scents of cherry blossom. There's a little bit of sweet ylang-ylang in there. It is a very sweet floral scent. It is not a perfume scent, more so it is a sweet jasmine smell. Look at those beautiful, beautiful cuts. Oh, I dropped it there. There we go. Beautiful. Now, a lot of people trim their soaps. We very rarely trim our soaps unless they need to be. We'll trim some of the high tops, but most of our soaps we leave at a regular cut because to us that's a waste. We don't do confetti soaps. Beautiful. We think you should have the ultimate bar of soap. I have a wet rag over here. I'm going to wet my fingers again and make sure that this stays nice and clean so you get clean cuts. All right. Let's do another one. Beautiful. Look at those beautiful lines with that purple. This only has 3 shades of mica. Our micas are all natural based. They're derivative powders, so they don't cause irritants. The micas are going to wash off. All our glitters we use. This has a dust clear on it from the Good Fairy. And it is all naturally biodegradable. So even if it gets on your skin, it will biodegrade very fast. Just for that, when we spray alcohol on top for air bubbles, we have to watch out because it will degrade our glitters. Just from that. There go. I'll get you another one here. Look at those beautiful. Like I said, I'll have one or two bubbles, but I think these look beautiful. They come out really nice. And I like that it gelled a little bit in the center. It's really pretty when they gel. It's a very natural process. It just soap naturally heats up. When it naturally heats up, there we go. And saponifies. So there's a cold process which we do and a hot process which naturally cures the soaps, and then they're ready pretty much 24 hours afterwards. So basically what this is, it got so hot that it started the saponification. And you can see that circle. Perfectly all natural, nothing wrong with it at all. It just means that it will harden the bar faster and the colors will pop more. Alright, there we go. There's another one. Let's take a look here. I want to make sure that everything cut nicely here. Oh, beautifully. I'm getting strings of, you'll see the little strings that is from the glitter catching with the little soap strings I get from the wires. Beautiful. Man, let me tell you, soap's so thick, and we put these in a 6-pound mold. We do them in small batches, and we still have to, because of the designs, we slam them on the ground to make sure that they get all the air bubbles out. But you'll find 1 or 2 air bubbles like here. Just one that just didn't get all the way to the top. But other than that, they're a solid bar of soap. Beautiful. Look at that design on top. Like I say, this is our #1 seller next to our Orange Pop. Go ahead and cut another one here. If you have any questions, you want to know more about the scent, if you want to know more about our soaps, our lineups, let us know. We have a spring lilies, which is a pineapple, and we have a watermelon that we have. And coming up next, we have our awesome summer collection. So I'm very excited for that. Our summer collection should be available starting on May 1st and or June 1st. I'll keep you guys updated on the website. We are running a 5% on all soaps from our older collection that are 4.5 ounces. We've upped all our ounces to 5.5 to 6 without raising prices. These soaps are made out of a castor, an almond, and olive oil, and coconut oil, and palm. All our palm is sustainably sourced from the United States. It's not sourced out overseas. We don't do deforestation on this channel. Beautiful. All right, getting down to the wire. So a lot of people wonder, what do we do with the bad bars on the end that we don't use? So either we'll cut them up into samples, or we donate it on our website. We have a donation section, and we donate them here locally to family homeless shelters for families that need homes. That's cool where the mica got in the center there. It looks like a little black hole, but it's a mica line. So pretty. So pretty. All right. I have got one cut here left. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful bars. And another little bubble. Just can't help it, let me tell you. All right, and then this, we will cut part of it for a sample, and the rest will get donated to the shelter. Oh, too small there. Look at that little scrap. It's hard to cut the smaller pieces here. Let's see if we can get this just right. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful cuts. All right. This is again is our Japanese cherry blossom. I hope you enjoyed watching. And I hope you visit us at SoapyFluffs.com. Have a great rest of your day, guys.